The inventory health function offers a range of data points that you can pull using this simple formula. Let me show you the list of data points that you can get. You can pull in data points related to inventory, the product listing such as dimensions, the currency, the sales price, and for inventory you can get the inventory aging and such data points. So let me show you the syntax. Let's move this first. So the first parameter is seller ID, that's required. I have my seller ID in D1. Then comes SKU. You can use asins or SKU. I'm going to use SKUs. Then we have marketplace. I'm going to ignore this one. For condition we can try new or used. Then comes the data points. So we have the data points typed here as well. And then the header. So let's skip the marketplace condition data point and use the header parameter. So if I do true, then what's going to happen is I'm going to get the results with these headers. If I do false, or if I just leave it blank, then this is what I will get. Since we have removed the header row, we will need to shift this down. You can use the data point parameter to pull in a specific data point, such as, let's say, recommended action. So you can just type it here within quotations, and this is how you can get the recommended action data point for each SKU. As a side note, when using our add-on, in case the subscription ID do not save, you will need to use incognito mode of your browser to bypass Google cache issue. And if you are in Europe, then you will need to use semicolon instead of comma.